Feels like I'm riding a spaceship.
It's very important that you kind of understand the motorcycle first, and these motorcycles have super.
This feels like you're sitting on a sofa and then just cruising the motorcycle. What an acceleration! And it's time to go for a ride, but then not on the Honda though, just taking the Versys. That's Mr. Ujjwal's beauty. So he's given me the key of this motorcycle, so we'll be riding this one. So he's on his 500X. He's just trying that first, and then I'm doing the Versys 1000. We'll go for a spin now. This feels like you're sitting on a sofa and then just cruising the motorcycle. So we will go all the way up till KPT for testing these bikes. So I'm just doing a ride on this motorcycle. I wanted to do a detailed ride of this motorcycle. What an acceleration, my god! In no time this motorcycle just peaks up. Whoa! Feels like I'm riding a spaceship. I mean, for my size this is absolutely massive motorcycle. And this perfectly suits Ujjwal. Look at the way this just accelerates now. So this is Ujjwal's bike, so I don't want to really rip this off now. Just taking it really slow.
Especially when you ride such big bikes, it's very important that you understand the bike first. Been doing back-to-back rides of big motorcycles. So finished the Honda 500X, then finished the CB650 and the Africa Twin as well, and now riding the Versys 1000. So each bike has its own characteristics, the way it handles, the way it feels, and when you come to the Versys 1000, it's a tourer, so it has got massive mass. If you look at the entire motorcycle, it's like really big. It's got a lot of mass that it carries, and when you accelerate with the 1000cc motorcycle power, it's just unreal. I mean, unless and until you are used to riding a big bike, you are used to such powers, you will not be able to control it. So it's very important that you kind of understand the motorcycle first. And these motorcycles have super acceleration, and they go 0 to 100 in just about no time. And also this Versys is mad. I mean, I've ridden the Versys 650 for a long time. I mean, I've taken it to Goa and all of it, and this is the first time I'm riding the Versys 1000.
Wow, this feels so good. This feels so good. This motorcycle is just absolutely out of the world. The way the power just churns out is amazing, and this is the perfect touring machine that you can have by Kawasaki. A 1000cc motorcycle, the Versys 1000. But the size of this motorcycle is like huge. At least for my size, this is a huge motorcycle.
There is so much going on with the motorcycle. So it's got traction control, and the traction control is so agile. The minute you kind of go a little overbend, and it recognizes that immediately pulls you back into the straight position. And the braking, it comes with dual channel ABS, super braking, it's got very good bite to it. And like I mentioned, you go absolutely mad when it comes to the acceleration bit of this motorcycle. It just gives you power which can be overwhelming, and if you're not used to riding such bike, you could just probably go and hit something. So it's very important to understand the throttle response. Got a very good throttle response to it, and I'm just enjoying the adrenaline rush. Is just too much. You can never get enough out of these motorcycles, and you can just go all out.
So I am facing an issue currently with this windscreen. It's slightly higher for my height, so my vision is just getting a little distorted. So I really can't throttle too much around with the current windscreen height. There is the adjuster, so we can adjust the windscreen. This is crazy.
So our Tulunadu Wanderer is moving. He has to go somewhere, so that's why he's rushing off.
But it was an amazing experience.
Yes,
Thank you, Girish Anna.
No, thank you for giving me your verses.
Yeah.
I mean,
But you had an issue with the visor.
yeah, I had an issue. I could not have a proper clear vision, so I was not able to.
We have stopped and out the visor.
Yeah, no worries. We'll do a separate video.
Separate review video.
Yes,
together.
complete detailed review video of this motorcycle will be done. Ownership review plus also the ride review, and also a lot of other nitty-gritties which normally people would not
Don't
know.
tell, yeah.
Yes, not
Full
tell.
honest review.
We'll do an honest review of that motorcycle. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Girish Anna.
So again, you can see his channel somewhere here on the description or the display, and also his Instagram handle. So see you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, bro.
Yes.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Let's meet again.
Yes. So time to say bye.
Bye.
Bye to Airawat. So yes, meet you soon. Let's do the detailed video of this. So the idea was to go to Malpe, but then I don't have my bike now, so I thought I'll join them later.
Converted to race spec, and with the Charisma engine, a lot of mods have gone behind, and the brainchild behind